What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Got another video, 98 Honda Prelude. We're going to be reviewing a new product, been simplifying the engine bay, pulling the motor out. Haven't got there yet, but we're going to be pulling that motor out, cleaning up the engine bay, some paint, maybe a little shaving, and wiring. So today I'm going to be reviewing a OBD2 tucked wire harness by Jack Spania. Just got it in the mail, so I appreciate you sticking around and checking out this new unopened box from Jack Spania Racing. Take a look. Alright, well here it is, unopened, been delivered. Looks like it came from Florida, pretty far out there. Now you do want to be mindful, we are dealing with wiring. Don't want to cut anything that might be of any value. We'll get in here and take a look at what we got in this box. Fairly packaged well. Nice logo product tape there. Alright. Let's see what we get. The description in the post said that the wire connectors are all brand new. This is OBD2 with labeling. Let's see what we got. Looks like, oh, nice, some product stickers. Hey, we always love those. Everybody deserves to be recognized. Got a thank you card, and looks like $10 off a purchase, or 10% off of a purchase. First glance, let's see if we can get you in there. First glance, everything looks new, undamaged, unharmed from packaging. Connectors do look new. Wire colors, that'll be something we might have to look at for, but down the line. Remember, this is an OBD2, so this should be OBD2 wire connector. Thought it said that it came with a sub harness, but I don't see anything for that. What we got here looks fairly good quality. Wire colors most likely not of the factory color. That's alright. If they're close, then that'll be beneficial for a shop manual. Connectors, like I said, are new. This looks like the, what is that, the EV14 or EV16 connectors for the injectors. They're all labeled. So we've got the main for the ECU. The sheathing looks nice. It's a nylon braid expansion. There are some heat shrinks here and there, as you would expect. The first offshoot here is got our map, and that does look like a quality connector. Yeah, not too bad. Map, TPS, and the idle air control off the one chute there. Not too bad. Then it shoots off again. We've got this one right here, and the secondary there. So let's see what we got here. See if we've got what we need. Now, the nice thing about this is that they're heat shrink labeling. So fan, ground, I'm going to give you a ground label on it. Vehicle speed sensor. Good thing about this is that I get to have a clean starting point with hopefully everything terminates and conductivity is good and solid between all wires. There's a single wire here, knock sensor. Probably won't be using a knock sensor on the Honda. Oil, that's a good one. Some of these are going to go in a lot of different areas. Here is your 4 plug for your oxygen sensor. Let's see what else we got in here. What is this, a spare? An extra, so we got a 2-wire spare. That's kind of nice. No directions on where these go, but you can probably identify by wire, so that's kind of nice. Interesting purchase. Just kind of wanted to test something out like this. Alternator. That does look correct for the OBD2 style connector. Of course, we're going to have all 4 of our injectors labeled 4, 3, 2, and 1. And last but not least is the AIT knot. Yeah, pretty sweet looking product. A little bit of, got a sticker here. That's kind of nice. You always like to represent some of those different brands out there. At least I do. And I thank you for shopping. And they have tons of products on their website. I really recommend you going on there and taking a look. To be honest with you, some of the products on there, even though they might be, Chinese knockoffs, I kind of like just going and trying them. Just even if some people might say it's a waste of your money, I really just enjoy seeing what I can get for a third of the cost, a quarter of the cost, an eighth of the cost. It amazes me to see some of these products and how well they put effort into it. It looks fantastic. I appreciate you sticking around for the video, and if you wouldn't mind giving me a thumbs up, I appreciate that, or even a subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next video. We'll take a look at some more interesting items I've picked up. Some things you don't want to go cheap on, and I figured even though I'm concerned about some of the wiring might be not up to the heat or the par, you know what, I have actually 2 sets of original wiring harness. Maybe we'll go ahead and make our own with a nice $150 bulkhead connector or something like that. Well, I'm glad if you stuck around this far. I know these videos get long with me just jabbering, so appreciate you out there, YouTube. Have a great one, and if you wouldn't mind,